Those OG ChatGPT lovers who were hiding behind Claude design and disappointed for not being relevant for a while, the good old days are coming back for you. With the release of ChatGPT-Images 2.0, we aren't just looking at a slight improvement over the old ways. We are seeing a complete shift in how machines understand our world. The newer version brought a lot that we need to talk about seriously, but the question remains, can it beat existing standout image generation models like Nano Banana? Let's see exactly what makes this update so special.
We're starting with the core philosophy behind this update. We have to talk about how this model actually functions compared to what came before. When we look at ChatGPT-Images 2.0, the most striking change is that it is designed to be a thinking model. In the past, image generators would simply try to match patterns to create a picture, often leading to strange glitches or misspelled words. Now, the model actually takes a moment to deliberate and research before it even begins to draw. It has the ability to search the web in real time, which means it can gather accurate, up-to-date information to ensure the visuals it creates are grounded in reality. This is a massive leap forward because it allows the AI to generate things like detailed infographics or even solve complex math problems by visualizing the proofs directly on the canvas. Moving right along to the actual user experience, we noticed that OpenAI has introduced two distinct ways to interact with the tool: instant mode and thinking mode. Instant mode is what most of us will use for our daily needs. It is fast, highly capable, and significantly smarter than the previous versions. However, the real magic happens in thinking mode, which is currently available for paid users. When we toggle this on, the model doesn't just react, it plans. It can generate multiple distinct images at once that all maintain a consistent story or style. For instance, you could ask it to create an entire 3-page manga comic from a single prompt, and the characters will look exactly the same across every panel. This level of coherence was almost impossible to achieve consistently before now. In addition to that consistency, the visual quality has been pushed to a professional, production-ready standard. We are now looking at images with 2K resolution that capture extraordinary micro-details. To give you an idea of how precise this is, there was a demonstration where the model generated a massive pile of rice, and on one single grain of rice, it clearly printed the text GPT-Image2. This isn't just about making things look pretty, it's about a level of detail that allows for professional-grade design work, like creating full room renovation plans or high-end magazine layouts with structured typography. Furthermore, we have to mention the incredible progress made in how the model handles text and language. If you have ever tried to generate an image with words in it before, you know it usually ends up looking like a jumbled mess of letters. With Images 2.0, typos are becoming a thing of the past. The model is deliberate about where it places text, ensuring it fits perfectly within the design. More importantly, it has gone global. It can now accurately render complex scripts like Hindi, Chinese, Japanese, and Korean. This is a huge deal because these languages have thousands of characters that older models often struggled to memorize. Now we can create a bakery poster in Japanese or a recipe in Hindi, and the text is flawless. Following that lead on realism, there's a new focus on naturalness. Many AI images tend to have a certain plastic or overly smooth look that makes them feel fake. We found that by using keywords like photorealistic or shot on iPhone, the model can replicate the tiny imperfections that make a photo feel real. It understands lighting, graininess, and even the subtle shadows that you would find in a 360-degree panorama. It even allows for different aspect ratios, from super tall images to wide panoramic views, giving us much more freedom in how we want to frame our ideas. Building on these technical feats, the way we interact with the AI has changed as well. It is no longer just a prompt and receive relationship. We can now talk to it interactively. If we upload a photo of ourselves and ask for outfit suggestions, it uses visual understanding to see what we look like and then uses visual generation to show us those outfits from multiple angles. It's almost like having a conversation with a designer who can show you their ideas instantly. This makes the tool useful for real-life tasks like shopping, planning, or building a brand identity from scratch. Finally, we should highlight that these features are already being integrated directly into the ChatGPT app and API, which means that whether you're a casual user looking to have some fun with vibe coding or a professional developer building complex apps, the power of Images 2.0 is right at your fingertips. The team at OpenAI has clearly put a lot of work into making sure the model doesn't just create images to look at, but creates tools that help us discover, invent, and bring our most complex dreams to life. We believe ChatGPT Images 2.0 is a massive leap towards truly intelligent design. Its ability to think, search the web, and handle complex text makes it a must-try for any creator. Whether you're making comics or professional logos, the precision here is unmatched. Go ahead and update your app to try these new features today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI updates.